Welcome to Holiday Let Investor, where we guide you through the journey of holiday let investments with clarity and insight. Opening the overwhelm. Imagine this: you're at your laptop, overwhelmed by countless browser tabs. You embarked on a simple mission to purchase a holiday let that truly works. Instead, you're confronted with an array of choices: coastal cottages, countryside lodges, and city apartments. Each seems appealing, but uncertainty looms. Which property will genuinely serve as a wise investment? The hidden problem. The crux of the matter is not merely finding properties. The challenge lies in grasping the nuances associated with each option. A holiday let isn't just about its purchase price and daily rental fees. It's inherently a business. Consider multifaceted factors like setup costs, seasonal income variations, operational expenses, and guest expectations. Let's break those down. Purchase price, the initial investment required. Deposit, usually a percentage of the purchase price. Mortgage costs, monthly repayments based on your budget. Cleaning fees, regular upkeep costs. Management fees costs if utilising a property management service. Utilities, electricity, water, and internet services. Insurance, protecting your asset from risks. Maintenance, ongoing repairs and upkeep costs. Furnishing costs, essential to create a welcoming space. Seasonality, fluctuations in demand based on the season. Occupancy assumptions, estimating how often the property may be rented. Monthly profit, the income remaining after expenses. As confusion sets in, you discover holidayletinvestor.co.uk. Our platform offers a structured methodology for analysing UK holiday let prospects before making any commitments. You can monitor and evaluate your performance, helping you sidestep potentially costly mistakes. Let's take the first step with our free calculator. Input crucial data like purchase price, mortgage assumptions, expected income, and running costs. The tool will provide you with critical insights into potential revenue, cash flow, and break-even occupancy. Running these calculations ahead of committing to any property is essential. Have you found a listing that piques your interest? Paste it into our deal checker. This tool allows you to analyse comparable evidence and review various cost assumptions. Experiment with different scenarios to visualise how both optimistic and cautious estimates might affect your investment outlook. The next logical step is to build a shortlist. Our dashboard enables you to compare several properties side by side. This feature highlights essential details, allowing you to streamline your focus on the most promising investment opportunities. Once you've pinpointed the right property, it's time to prepare it for guests. With our furnishing planner, you can outline a detailed setup budget, optimizing the property's layout for a superior guest experience while managing costs effectively. Thinking about adding a hot tub? It could enhance the property's appeal, but will also incur additional costs and maintenance. Our tools enable you to assess whether the potential increase in rental income justifies these additional expenses. As you transition towards acquiring your holiday let, the anticipation grows. The change from concept to reality means closely monitoring actual costs and income streams. To assist in managing finances post-acquisition, our pro-budget forecast tools provide essential insights on necessary capital, expected income, and expenses. You can alleviate risks by modifying budgets based on real-time data. Once your property is live, it's vital to track monthly performance. Our profit and loss tool offers a clear view of your finances, allowing you to see how actual performance compares with your initial expectations. Finally, with our KPI tracker, you can continually monitor your holiday let's performance. Key metrics like occupancy rates and cash flow provide insight into the true performance of your investment. Holiday Let Investor is here to support you through the entirety of the process, from the initial search to ongoing performance evaluations. When your first guests arrive, all that planning culminates in a highly rewarding moment. But remember, the evaluation of your property doesn't stop here. Continue comparing actual performance with your original investment assumptions to ensure long-term success. As you sit at your laptop, free from the confusion of countless tabs, you can confidently track your investment journey with newfound clarity. With tools to crunch the numbers and keep your investment goals aligned, you are on your way to making well-informed decisions in the holiday let market. If you need more holiday let calculators, guides, and deal checking tools, visit holidayletinvestor.co.uk